Hi viewers, I am Anju Jain from Creative Gems and Jewels. Now this is Moissanite Gottapusulu. There are chandbalis to go with that, and you can customize the earrings if you want, smaller or bigger. Using natural rice pearls and the real gemstone beads. We have a mesh chain which can be worn by itself with the pendant, and if you want to wear, see, this can be removed very easily. We have very big hooks, so you can wear the pendants with this chain hanging on like this. This can be removed to be worn as a belt pendant. The same pendant can be used for jade as well. Next in line is the precious stone necklace using emerald, ruby, sapphire, yellow sapphire, grey sapphire, pigeon color sapphire. This is a natural gemstones necklace. All stones have been cut in our factory, and this also comes with a beautiful pair of earrings, which is a chandelier style. Earrings can be worn separately as well. You can wear it with emeralds, rubies, sapphire, or the rainbow necklace if you have. Now this one now is very special from a shop. You don't get this anywhere in the whole country. This is a gemstones double jhumka. You also call it sui dhaga jhumka. The real freshwater pearls have been used. If you wear this, you can also open it from the back just like any other gemstone earrings. You can wear single also. It's very easy to work, just like any other screw at the back. This can be done. If you like this, you have to come only to us, and we make as many as 25 colors in this. You can also customize the color of your choice. This is an Italian twist. Once you wear it in the ear, it will keep making different shapes of 8. This is a moissanite necklace with the pearls, semi-precious green beads at the bottom, pumpkin beads on the top, and the tanzanite at the bottom. It's a rare combination with a little tinge of blue, purple and lilac. It makes a very beautiful combination. It's unique by itself. It is an exquisite temple jewelry set with nakshi along with that. Earrings are very beautiful, as you can see them. The semi-precious beads have been used with tiny little caps with great detailing. There are peacock motifs which are very precious in Indian jewelry, and it makes a beautiful set for the Kanjivaram saris, Pattu saris, and all kinds of silk saris. The detailing of the peacocks along with the set, and along the red, there is a red outline with the green bottom with the pearls. Every color is very clearly visible. The kundan can never go out of Indian fashion jewelry. This is with the set has green enamel with the white kundan pieces. The droplets add to its beauty. We have used the freshwater cultured pearls. This is a very special set, can be worn by children also. It fits into the neck of the children very beautifully. For children, we have very tiny jhumkas that can match this, and you can also have only tiny studs for children. For elders, we have jhumkas and these kind of chandelier earrings that go with it beautifully. This is something very, very special from a shop. This is a Jodhpur collection. We use big gemstones and do this kundan work on the stone. The material used is always 92.5 silver. You can use it with South Sea pearls. That is going to make it very elegant. We have again made the big loops, so the pendant can be used in multiple ways. like jade, the belt piece, and with the necklace. Not only that, we also have elaborate pieces that can go along with the same chain. You can wear it just like that also. All our pendants have been made. You need not buy only pearls or gemstones. Use your own chains. You already have chains with you. This is my latest collection. Detailings with the green enamel, blue enamel, mosenites. There are tiny small half jhumkas over here so that they will fit properly and they don't turn upside down. This can be worn with the westerns also, because if you see, the earrings don't have any droplets at the bottom. It sits very well on the neck and looks very pretty. Other than that, we also have the traditional jalebi mala with the kundan pendant at the bottom. The jalebi mala has kundan work, Russian emeralds, Swarovski pearls, freshwater culture pearls to bring this beautiful outlook. This is all my latest collection. You can see all this collection available in Creative Gems and Jewels, Hyderabad and Bangalore. Thank you.